dries pretty fast. Here is how it looks. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Shepa and today I'm here to do unboxing of my IPSY bag for November 2022. And in case you didn't know, IPSY is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 sample size product in a cute little bag, but every month you get a different bag. And this is the bag for this month, November. I used to have IPSY around 5 or 6 years ago and they used to be $10. Now I ended up paying $16 for this bag. I think IPSY has changed a lot for better, I guess. Refreshment and Glam Bag Plus, add-ons, and there's like tons of different things. IPSY has really changed. And when I canceled IPSY back then, I did it because I wanted to get the BoxyCharm and I didn't want it this small sample size products anymore. You know, like when you keep on getting a lot of them and then you get sick of it and you just don't want that anymore. And BoxyCharm was the thing that I wanted back then. I ended up canceling it after a year or so. I used to really love BoxyCharm and I had it for the longest time, like a year or more than a year I had BoxyCharm. And then I ended up canceling that as well because I thought if I'm spending $25, I would spend it on something I want, like maybe one item, but I will spend it on to something I really want, not just 5 or 6 random stuff that I don't need, but I'm using them only because I got them. Don't get me wrong, but I really loved BoxyCharm and IPSY both. But you know, like when you have it for a long period of time, you need a break and your brain just finds different thoughts and different logic to cancel it and then move for something new. I think that's what happened. So now I'm back to IPSY. Probably I will be back to BoxyCharm too, but I don't know yet. For now, here is November IPSY bag and I'm going to unbox it right now. I'm super excited. I missed that subscription box, you know, like the excitement for a subscription box, that like you don't know what you're getting. But nowadays it's like you can see it before, like what you were actually getting, but back then it was way different. But I like that. I think that's the whole point of subscription box for me, that I don't know what I'm getting and then I will just open it and see and get surprised. So let's start opening it. So here is a card that has all the detail of the products that I received today. There is 5 product over here, 1 full size, which is a eyeshadow brush, so it's obviously a full size product. And other than that, the rest of the 4 is a sample size product. Here's the brush. It's an angled eyeshadow brush, and this brush is by Firma Beauty. It's 4-1 Precision Angled Blending Brush Pro, and this one retails for $14. I'm going to real quick try this a little bit. I would personally like to use a little smaller brush for my eyes, but this works pretty good. By the way, the shade I'm using here right now is by Huda Beauty and the shade is called Off Balance. And this shade doesn't look as pigmented in the palette as it looks on eyes. I really like this one a lot. So I'm gonna just do a super quick eye look. Just wanted to test this brush. I'm gonna quickly put some mascara on. This is like my everyday go-to eyeshadow look, super easy and you don't really have to think so much. It just looks good with any look, I think. And if you look at my videos, you will see like most of the days I'm just wearing this. So here I just put on some mascara. This is the Benefit They Are Real Magnet Mascara. I love this mascara a lot. It looks very natural, but then it looks like I'm wearing something. I don't like to wear falsie all the time. So about the brush, I think it's a little bigger than my liking. I like to have a super precise eye brush, but this works. This is not bad, as you can see. So that was one product. Moving to the next one. Next product is a lipstick, so I'm going to quickly take this off. Now this lipstick is from the brand M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in Queens. So the shade name is Queens and I have never heard of this brand before. So that's the fun of having this subscription box. You get to try all these new brands and get to know some new products. I like that. And this is supposed to be a very comfortable liquid to matte lipstick. Full size of this product retails for $7, but this is a dual example, but it looks pretty decent size. It looks almost like, I thought it was a full-size product, to be honest with you. Perfect for this holiday time, I think. It's a very pretty red shade. Let me try this on. Okay, I have to read this to you guys, what it says in the card. It says, you know that tight and dry feeling some liquid lipsticks leave behind? That never happens with this creamy formula. It's lightweight, non-chalky, non-drying, and feels comfy for hours. Oh, and the pretty blush pink color, a total stunner. So that's what it says over here, and it's really lightweight. It almost feels like you're not wearing anything on your lips, and it dries pretty fast. Let's see if it's transfer proof. Wow, it really is transfer. Look at that, it's super comfortable. And it's very transfer proof. And that's why I love this kind of subscription box where you get to try all these new products. I would never know this brand and I would never find this lipstick, but now I love this. I love that formula. There's absolutely no transfer at all, and it's super light and very pretty color. I love it. Rest of them are skincare products. This one is a gentle cleansing cream. This is by the brand One Kind. Again, another brand I have never heard of. The full size of this product is gonna cost you $28. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I usually save a lot of this kind of stuff and then I do a giveaway. This is a serum, and the full size of this product is $235, and this is a deluxe sample. So this is a 10 milliliter small sample deluxe size, but the 30 milliliter is gonna cost you $235. So this is a pretty expensive serum. I'm super excited to try this. It's supposed to be really good for your skin and it feels very hydrating on my hand. Moving to the next product. Next one is a moisturizer. This is by Super Mellow. Here is how it looks. Full size of this product is gonna cost you $26. This is another deluxe sample size product, but it does have how much product in it? Hold on. This one has 10 milliliter. So here is the moisturizer. This one probably has a little bit smell on it. I don't know, I can tell because there's so much product in front of me with so many different smells. And I put on some makeup as well, so altogether it's a mix of smell. So I have the serum on this hand and I have the moisturizer here, and this is really moisturizing and I like the way it feels. I can't tell very much about this yet because, you know, like this kind of skincare product, you have to use them for a while to be able to speak about them, if they, how good they are and what it is actually. The first impression is okay. I like them, and I don't know why this is just super expensive, this serum, but anyways, I am excited to try them. Anyways, that was all. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I would truly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys back again in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.